JGTV, your choice for Jamaican entertainment.
Bang, 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 connect!
Now, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Big up to everybody. I hope everybody have a happy Easter Monday. But the video I have for you, brother, many even know what to say. Yeah, so I say the same. It's basically similar to the video I released what there with the ghetto people them. Yeah, so I say, but boy, me no know. Me go play it. I wanna tell me one thing, cause Jano, me no know what to say. I swear to you.
It's mad, and the blood is blood clotting this other one. Yes. Left Maroon town,
Left Maroon town.
This gone up on the line.
A few moments later.
Don't do this like say I idiot. Yes. And we are at last and I tell man I want to come and take you. We don't want that man. Stop your man.
Now, look on what just happened a while ago. You see me? This man, I go do that to the police car. You understand? And you really feel say the police them would not come back for you? You just broke the law a while ago by damaging the vehicle, you know? You see what I say? Brother, me even, yo, sometimes I don't understand the mindset of we Jamaican people, you know? I swear to you, I don't understand the mindset. God no. So people, let me know what you're thinking in the comments about this. I really want to try to understand why them people are behave so. Because it don't make no sense. Like the video, people. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about that situation. Yeah. Did he deserve to get locked up like that? What do you think? Tell me what you think. I'm out.